Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki. Here in my hand is a 2-pack of really cool LED strips, which are great for either lighting up a closet. I'm gonna use them to light up our pantry in the kitchen, or you could put them like here, like in the workbench, light up where you're working, all that kind of stuff. They are motion sensitive, which is great because you don't need to waste the battery when you're not there, and they're really sensitive. So when you come to the area, they turn on nice and bright, 54 LEDs, which are, and the whole unit is completely rechargeable by USB, but I'm telling you, even with 54 LEDs, they last a long time before you need to recharge them. But let's open it up, see what they look like so that you know. So I have had these before, I'm telling you, so it's probably not such a surprise what the Doug score is gonna be, but when I get done with this conversation, I am gonna give you a Doug score from 1 to 5, let you know what I think of them. Seeing as I bought them again, I think you might know. So it comes with the USB wires so that you could charge them. There's my answer for my question. I was wondering if they came with any power so I could show you what they look like. Here, interesting, so this is how they're wrapped. You see this little strip here? Let me pull this off here. This is a metal strip. So why do you want this? So let's say you're Doug and you're gonna put this in the pantry on the wood next to the door. This has two-sided tape. You take this off and this little metal strip would then go on there because one of the things that's really cool about these, and they give you replacement glue strips in case you need to move it at some point, they are magnetized. So you just go like that and they stick, which would be perfect out here. There's actually a set of them right here in this cabinet. So yes, I'm gonna give them a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. I already know they're great. But for me in the pantry, I'm gonna have to stick this on the molding along the door so that I can attach this without any hardware or anything right to the door. How perfect is that? Here obviously is the motion sensor. As you can see, the moment they sensed me, they turned on. Here is the USB where you plug it in to recharge it. Outside of that, there's not too much else about these other than to tell you that they are absolutely magical, and a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. Hope that was helpful. See you next time.